Italy, Europe, April 17, 2025. Thursday, April 17, 2025. Firefighters take intervention on the flood that hit Montuda due to the overflowing of the Rio della Valle. The Carabinieri of the Chivasso Company then intervened on site. At the moment in Piedmont, the most significant damage caused by bad weather has been concentrated in some specific areas of the territory. The region underlines this in an initial press release. In the VCO, there are serious critical issues related to landslides, mudslides, and avalanches, in particular in the mountain and valley areas. The Anzasca Valley, the Biella area, the Vercelli area, the Lanzo and Susa valleys, the Canavese and the Pinerolo area are among the most affected areas, with several events that have affected traffic along the axis of the state road, causing interruptions and dangerous situations for traffic. The intense rainfall has caused secondary streams to overflow and snow masses to detach, which in some cases have reached the roadway. In the province of Vercelli, evacuations and serious hydrogeological instability have been reported, with landslides that have affected inhabited areas, causing highly dangerous situations. In the province of Turin, landslides and flooding have been recorded, compromising local, intermunicipal and provincial roads, causing partial isolation for some residential areas. The flooding of the Dora Balti has also caused widespread flooding and serious repercussions on the motorway and railway network. Evacuations have also been reported in industrial areas. In the province of Biella, structural damage to strategic road infrastructures has been reported, with consequent interruption of connections and isolation of some areas.
Questi sono I tetti. Questo è quello che rimane dei tetti. Quella è la macchina.
Ecco il po' dai murazzi di Torino, i murazzi che si stanno allagando, come si può vedere. Ed è bello.
Weather situation being updated. Red alert. Widespread precipitation expected in Canavese until late afternoon. Maximum caution is recommended and travel is limited to essential travel only. The wave of bad weather ended up flooding, once again, the cat shelter in Ivrea, in the market square. The volunteers saved all the cats. In San Giorgio Canavese, some risk situations remain with a slow return to normal conditions expected for tomorrow morning. Roads still closed due to flooding. San Giorgio Luzigli Road, Cortereggio Luzigli Road, Cortereggio San Giorgio Road, Road to Cuselio Bioletto Road, landslide with trees on the roadway. The Turin Oster remains closed. The municipality of Ivrea also confirms this. The geotechnical technicians sent to assess the situation on site, including the Quincinetto landslide area, did not consider that the conditions currently exist for reopening the section of the A5.
Qua siamo in via Cappelletta, sono le ore 12 e... pardon.
Una cosa impossibile, dal giardino di casa mia. Questa è un'alluvione.
The A5 motorway remains closed. After a renewed evaluation by technicians on the possibility of reopening, it is believed that the motorway must remain closed. The ban on cars in the Ivrea area, from Scarmagno to Quincinetto, has been confirmed. The slip road junction between Albiano and Pavone is also closed. Provincial Road 47 of the Soana Valley remains closed from Pont Canavis. It is open only for work reasons and to residents of Ingria, Ronco and Valprado. Given the presence of operational vehicles and the rough road surface in many places, it is recommended to limit such movements, they say from the valley. The passage is guaranteed to emergency vehicles. The road to the Piani and Castigliole is closed due to landslides and mudslides. Many homes, stables or animal shelters in the Cascine and Borca regions have suffered flooding or inconvenience. Some cellars in the village have suffered the same. A landslide in the Paraballo region. Some landslides in the mountains to be verified. We have resolved some obstructions that did not allow the water to flow into the canals. We have monitored the Briglai Sul Leva and the aqueduct intakes.